Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make a reed diffuser using our product from Village Craft Candle. First, you're going to need a glass container. Here I have the brand new Lavish and Allure. I'll be using the Lavish in this video. Next, you'll need 10 to 15 cotton reed diffuser sticks. You're going to need your reed diffuser base, your choice of fragrance oil. I'm using black raspberry vanilla here, a measuring cup and funnel, a digital scale, and a stirring utensil. First, we're going to grab our digital scale and measuring cup. Make sure to zero out your scale to get an accurate reading. Grab your reed diffuser base. We're going to be making a ratio of 60 to 40. Here I'm measuring about 2.5 ounces of reed diffuser base. If you go over like I did here, don't worry, you can just pour the excess diffuser base back into the bottle. And now I'm going to add 1 ounce of the fragrance oil. Mix the liquids together for about 20 seconds. Keep in mind this is an approximate ratio. Always refer to your IFRA chart for the directions specific to the scent that you're using. Now that your mixture is complete, you can go ahead and grab your Lavish glass container and your funnel. Pour in your mixture. Now you're going to add your cotton reed diffuser sticks. Starting with 10 will ensure adequate throw and absorption. Let the reeds sit for 24 hours, then flip them over to start the scent distribution. Now you can place your Lavish reed diffuser where you like and enjoy. Don't forget to check out villagecraftcandle.com and follow our socials for more videos and blog posts.